guys, today is my first video and I would like to make slime. Okay, so I'm going to show you how the slime is going to be. It would be slimy, a good consistency. I messed the slime up by adding lemon juice and this did not come out good when I added lemon juice, so don't add lemon juice when you make yours. Don't make that decision. I added to all these and I didn't know I was going to make that, so alright, cool. I think this one came out pretty good about it. So yeah. Okay, now let's put the slimes aside and I'll be back when I'm done washing my hands and then we'll get right into the video. Okay, now I need something to mix in, something to mix with. I'm using this and this is I'm using to mix in. Okay, so I'm gonna add my glue. I'm trying to take this off. Okay, I think I took it off. No, I didn't. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna add some glue. I'm not gonna make a lot. Oops. Let's see the new detergent I have. A little bit because I wasted all of it on the other slimes. Okay, so I'm mixing. I forgot to add a color to it. It's not yet. I even have the colors in it. I'm gonna make it blue. So like that. You guys can see what I'm mixing. Sorry for that, my brother is seeing TV and I don't know what he said. Butterfingers! Okay, so oh, no wonder it's the commercials. Butterfingers! I'm sorry because I'm loud, it's because it's echoey in here. Echo! Echo! And yeah, just need it. Beyond the night, down to the night. Oh, there's more laundry detergent. I don't know. So just do that. Just get more laundry detergent. I see. Just get more laundry detergent. Okay, guys. So. Better be. What the heck is all this? I'm not being it all off now. Okay, so I'm gonna add more. Oh, did I add more? No, I didn't. Okay, like that. It's not any ashes or anything because it's the paint black. I don't know why it's there. Okay. Oh my god, that got stuck to my fingers. Okay. So yeah. So that's how you make slime. You guys can use borax, but I don't have borax. The only thing activator I have is Tide. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this a like. Please subscribe. And yeah. Next video I think is gonna be after this one. After this is uploaded, I think after, I don't know. Well, I'm probably gonna do painting video because I like painting. I'm in art class in school, so yeah, I'm in art class. Okay, so trying to get all the slime right here. Okay, so let me just put this aside. So yeah, I hope you guys don't hear that in the background. It's Bob's Burgers. If you guys like Bob's Burgers, don't like this button. Okay? And I hope you guys enjoyed this with the. Okay. Just got it in a second, put it mix up here and here. So I'm wiping this all off, and I hope you to like smash that like button. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's my first video. Hope you guys subscribe. So, by the way, I just wanted to share this information. My favorite YouTubers are Pat and Jen, popular MMOs, and Super Girly Gamer. Peace!